Balloon Tower Building Game. Hey everyone, ready to test your teamwork, creativity, and maybe even your balloon wrangling skills? Welcome to the Balloon Tower Relay Game, the ultimate team building challenge where things might get a little chaotic, but in the best way possible. Objective. The goal is simple. Work together to build the tallest freestanding balloon tower within the time limit. But there's a twist, it's a relay. You'll need strategy, speed, and solid teamwork to come out on top. Materials needed. You'll need balloons, about 10 to 15 per team, masking tape, string if you want to get fancy, a timer, and something to measure your tower's height. And space for a relay race. Setup. Set up two areas, a relay zone and a construction zone. Place all your building supplies in the construction area. Each team will work in their own space. Only one team member at a time can be in the construction zone. They'll run in, inflate a balloon, add it to the tower, then dash back and tag the next teammate. Rules. 1 builder at a time. No pre-inflated balloons. Use only what's provided. Tower must be freestanding, and stay up for 10 seconds at the end. Judging criteria. At the end, your tower will be judged on height, stability, creativity, and how well your team worked together. Bonus points for epic designs and amazing team spirit. Whether your tower reaches the sky or topples with flair, the real win is how you communicate, collaborate, and create together. So pump those balloons, tape like a pro, and most of all, have a blast. Waves balloon or high fives a teammate, let's get building. And that's a wrap on the Balloon Tower Relay Game. More than just a stack of tape and air, this challenge brings out some of the best in teamwork, clear communication, problem solving under pressure, adaptability, and a whole lot of laughter. Whether your tower reached the ceiling or barely left the floor, what matters most is how your team came together, supported one another, and stayed creative through the chaos. So take this energy with you, because the same collaboration that built your tower can build great things anywhere. Thanks for playing, and keep reaching high, even if it's just with balloons.